Hello guys and welcome back to Team Car Delight English channel. So this is the new Jazz facelift and we are going to share a very detailed walk around review. So make sure to stay tuned to this video till the end. Also current waiting period and discount on Jazz you can check on your display screen, and make sure to hit the subscribe button right away and click the bell icon as well. So this is the new Jazz facelift 2020 and the center of attraction is this one touch electric sunroof which is best in class. And there are three variants on offer, which is V, VX and ZX, and right over here is the top of the line ZX CVT trim, and in Jazz 70% demand is of CVT. Average monthly sale of this premium hatchback is 1500 units, and other rival vehicles average monthly sale you can check on your display screen. And Honda Jazz offers perfect suspension setup and excellent ride and handling quality. Due to tall boy design, there is hardly any bump and pothole which feels inside the cabin. And we have got 3 years unlimited kilometers of warranty which you can extend up to 5 years. Also you can get roadside assistance later on up to 5 years. And right in the front there are full LED headlamp with LED daytime running lights, and we have got 3 elements over here. 2 are for low beam, 1 is for high beam, and they are super efficient. And these daytime running lights are not positioning lamp, they are proper DRLs. And over here you can see we have also got the LED fog lamp. Fog lamp housing is in piano black finish and chrome essence, and there is dual tone bumper. This is the new Honda signature chrome grille with piano black finish. Also talking about the technical specification comparison, you can check the dimension comparison on your display screen. And Jazz has a boot space of 354 liters, curb weight 1042 kg to 1085 kg, fuel tank capacity 40 liters, and ground clearance 165 mm. Along with that we get 15 inches tire size, and turning radius is 5.2 meters. And there is very sharp shoulder line over here. We have got the quarter glasses as well in front and rear both, and it is built on very strong and rigid ACE body structure platform, which is advanced compatibility engineering body structure. And there is request sensor and passive keyless entry over here also. This is the sunroof, and these are electrically adjustable and foldable ORVM, but we don't get any auto folding function. So these are the same continued 15 inches alloy wheels, multi-spoke silver color, and these are basically 175 by 65 section tires. And there is micro roof antenna over here. So that's the rear look. And guys, there are 5 color options on offer, which is radiant red metallic, lunar silver metallic, platinum white pearl, modern steel metallic, and golden brown metallic. This car is being manufactured at Honda's Greater Noida plant, and it's a front wheel drive car. And these are spectacular looking LED tail lamp, and they look outstanding especially at night. And there is rear defogger, wiper, rear chrome applique, ZX badging, IV Tech badging. IV Tech means petrol, ID Tech means diesel, but Honda Jazz facelift doesn't get any diesel engine. There is dual tone bumper. There are 4 sensors in the rear. Along with that we have got license plate lights in halogen. So right away opening the tailgate, we have got electromagnetic trunk opening. There is a grab handle over here and one parcel tray. So this is the total boot space of 354 liters. We have got a luggage lamp, and furthermore if we pull this one, so this is the toolkit which is very well organized. There is a first aid kit as well. And if we pull this one, so this is the steel wheel which is the spare tire, and it's of 175 by 70 section tire R14, which means it's a temporary small size spare tire. And let's remove this one. And there are no magic seats in Jazz facelift. So these are the bench folding seats, and this is the maximum cargo area in Honda Jazz. Now let's shut this too. And talking about the safety features on offer, we have got dual front airbag, ABS with EBD, reverse parking camera with guidelines. Guidelines are not adaptive. Rear parking sensor, speed sensing auto door lock, front seat belt reminder, high speed alert system, rear defogger, door, tailgate and key off reminder, engine immobilizer, dual horn, central locking and smart keyless entry. So right away let's talk about the engine option. So first we have to open the hood. and from here you can open the hood, and from here you can open the fuel lid. And there are very low NVH levels, and there is very good amount of cladding in firewall as well, but there is no underbody engine guard or underbody engine protection kit. There is front mud guard over here. So you can see the entire engine option comparison on your display screen. We have got 1.2 liter iVTEC 4-cylinder petrol engine which generates about 89 bhp of power and 110 Nm of torque. There is 5-speed manual and CVT gearbox on offer, and ARAI certified mileage is 16.6 kmpl for manual and 17.1 kmpl for CVT automatic. And also the on-road price of this variant and all other variants of Jazz you can check on your display screen. So let's get in right now. So guys, these are the two smart keys that are available with Honda Jazz facelift, and if we have to lock or unlock the car, we have got smart passive keyless entry. So keys should be in your vicinity or it should be in your pocket. Unlike other cars, we have to press the switch, but in this we don't have to press the switch. You just have to hold the door handle like this and car will automatically unlock, and it is very convenient. And if you have to lock it, you have to press this switch, and to unlock we just have to hold it on both driver side and co-driver side. So let's just place the keys over here. We have got engine push start button, and this is the cabin, and it has an excellent fit and finish quality. Everything feels very nice to touch and hold. Cabin is very ergonomically designed as well. There is black color carpeting, beige color roof, and we have got one touch electric sunroof over here. And these are the fabric seat upholstery, and seats are extremely comfortable. There is very easy in and out in the Jazz, which is not in other cars. Also there is height adjustment for driver side seat. We have got clutch footrest. This is the headlamp leveler. The switch is illuminated, and there is one cup holder over here which is very cleverly placed. So if you have to cool your beverage, you can place the AC vent like this. It will be automatically cooled in summers, and if you want to heat it, you can do that too by turning on the heater. So this is the dual tone front door. We have got fabric finish over here, silver finish over here, silver color inside door handle, ORVM controls which are electrically adjustable and foldable. These are power door lock switch, all 4 power windows with driver side auto down, and it also has auto up with pinch guard. And out of all these switches, only 3 switches are illuminated, which is this and this one. Also this is illuminated, and all other controls over here are illuminated. Over here are illuminated. Even this sunroof operation switch is illuminated. So let's get inside right now. And there is speaker on all 4 doors, 1 liter bottle holder along with map pocket. And if you drive the Jazz, you get this view. The bonnet is not visible. And guys, this is the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks very sporty. It is leather wrapped. We have got audio controls, Bluetooth calling controls, voice command controls. These are cruise controls, and obviously there are pedal shifters which are best in segment. And that's why the CVT demand is 70% in Jazz. These are wiper controls. These are the headlamp controls. And this is fabulous looking instrument cluster. Right over here we have got the MID screen. On top side it is showing instant fuel consumption. It will also display digital clock, gear shift indicator in manual, gear position indicator in CVT, also dual trip meter, total kilometers driven, distance to empty, average fuel consumption, outside temperature display, and there is fuel gauge over there. And it is gear position indicator. Along with that, guys, we have got this front armrest, and it is cushion armrest in fabric. There are some storage area as well, which is quite nice. Along with that, this is the leather wrap gear knob. So that's the view for your rear camera. There are sensors B. There is no display for the sensors, but we have got 3 views over here which is crystal clear. So there is wide view, this is the normal view, and this is the top down view which is like super helpful. And guys, if you see over here, we have got twin cup holder space, along with that some other space to keep your stuff, so you can place your smartphone. There is 1.5 ampere USB port, 1 ampere USB port, and from both the ports you can charge your smartphone. Along with that, we have got a 12-volt socket over here, and on the touch panel we have got fully automatic climate control system with dust and pollen filter. And this is the advanced latest DigiPad 2.0. And now it also comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We can play audio and play video through USB. There is internet connectivity, so you can connect your smartphone Wi-Fi like hotspot, or you can buy a separate hotspot and connect to this system, and you can literally browse the internet over here, which is like quite nice. Along with that, you can change the wallpapers. So there are many themes, so we can turn the red. It is looking quite nice. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command. Along with that, it supports USB, Bluetooth, radio. The touch has been improved quite a lot, and it is very feature rich system, although not best in segment, but it is very feature rich. So guys, in Jazz facelift you also get this leather finish on the dashboard, and it has a very feel good factor about it. Along with that, if you open this one, this is the glove box compartment with quite a lot of space, and this is the remote control for the infotainment system. The vendor for the infotainment system is Alpine, which are very trusted. And furthermore, we have got a vanity mirror over here, and two front cabin lamps with theater dimming function, day and night IRVM. And over here also we have got vanity mirror. And guys, again on your screen you can check the on-road price comparison. Also, we can adjust the illumination of the cabin like this by rotating this knob clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this is the rear door. You can see the opening aperture is quite big, and due to tallboy design, in and out of this cabin is super easy. We have got child safety door locks, fabric finish, power window controls which are not illuminated, speaker, small size bottle holder with map pocket. So these are the rear seats. It offers best in segment comfort, but there are no adjustable headrest and armrest or rear AC vent. And behind the front seats there are no pockets as well, but if you install any leather seat upholstery you will get that. And this is the cabin lamp with heater dimming function. Over here we have got grab handle with coat hanger, and over here too. And this is the dashboard look. And guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button right away and click the bell icon to get notified every time we upload the video.